Busy day, busy day. Yeah, I am in lockdown, and you're probably getting sick of seeing me on here, but what am I gonna do? Um, so I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I just received in the mail, and then that is my next project. So let's take a look. Okay, you've seen this before. I had one of my second video I ever made. I think I made a video of this, and this showed up when I received it a week or 2 weeks ago. Anyway, so right here's we have the Navy, what do they call it, working uniform. So the NWU. This is the perfect size for my head. It's a 7 3/8. So when I was in the Marines, I used to wear a 7 1/8, but now I have hair, so I need that extra space. And I bought this, really, I kind of like this blue camouflage for some reason. I know it's for the Navy and stuff like that, but it doesn't look, I mean, it looks paramilitary to me, not like full military, and this isn't worn by them anymore. And plus it also has this officer's insignia, which I may remove, but I believe that's for lieutenant in the Navy. But this will go with my NWU Gore-Tex jacket that I just received, and I decided to order the Gore-Tex trousers as well, and that way I've got a nice cover or hat that will match it. And I always like these 8-point or 8-panel covers or hats, so it's kind of interesting to me. Anyway, so another one, I bought this on eBay. Now I have ordered these, or maybe it was the Scott's brand, but basically these are just NIOSH. It's a P100, so it's a little bit better than N95 for particulate. So I can wear this if I choose on my Israeli M15 gas mask, and it's only for particulates, so that's all you see there. You can see that fabric inside of there. This thing was made in 2010. I think these things have a 10 to 20 year life. It does not look like it's been used, although there were no seals on it or anything, but I don't see any particulates inside of the filter, so there's that little ding on there, but I don't think that really affects it, but oh well. Now I'm set. Okay, once again we're showing this. This is the Swedish Ränsel, the M1905. So this thing is over 100 years old. In fact, it's 110 years old. 1910 is when this was made. This is my next cleaning project. So you can see there's a lot more leather on this than, well, maybe it's about the same as the Swiss one, but maybe a little more. But I'm going to clean this and kind of refurbish it a little bit. It's in great condition for being 110 years old. It looks like they've taken care of it. To me, it looks like there's some lanolin on there. It's hard to show on the camera, but there's kind of like a whitish stuff on here, which to me says they use some lanolin on here to take care of this and feed that. The leather's not dry, so this has been stored very well. I mean, if you go to Sweden's digital museum, they've got pictures on there of these things, and they're like torn as heck. I mean, this one looks like it was barely used, if it was used. This is a very heavy, like canvas. Almost looks like almost like burlap or something like that. If you look at the weave on there. I already showed you this, but I just want to show you anyway. So this is the strap where you can put your mess kit. So this is a perfect size for the M1895 mess kit, which they used up until about 1939, and then it was replaced by the M40, you know, the stainless steel Swedish mess kit. But that also fits in this strap. So these two are made to carry the entrenching tool or an axe or hatchet. And so this knapsack is pretty, I don't know, I like it. I like the way it looks. I actually went on a day hike. This is the second one that I've owned, but I actually went on a day hike with it, and yeah, it wasn't like uncomfortable. It wasn't the most comfortable, but these things have a wood frame inside of here, so you can see that. Okay, and then they've got on the bottom, they've got like a plywood panel inside of there. There's lots of leather inside of here, and then they use this canvas, like a linen type of material. And wow, this stuff's in really great condition. I think there's even a stamp, if I recall, saying that so this fabric was made in 1911. And you've got all these little straps and stuff on here. So what I guess is on the lid is where you could have an extra like shirt or something like that, or gloves for easy access. And then of course you can put everything in the main compartment. So when I clean this stuff, it'll be similar to the other ones, where I'm cleaning this first with Lexol, and then I'm gonna go treat it with Obenauf. And I know these things are made so well. Gosh, it's ridiculous. You've got these 3 straps up here. Well, 1 strap on the top, and then 1 on each side. So 2 other straps. And then on the bottom you've got lashing points, so you can put the straps through here to even hang even more stuff. It's pretty interesting on here. This is an early version of quick release. So you see this hook and then this D-ring. So the D-ring holds it on there, and if you need to doff this really quick, boom, you just slide that thing off. They also have these hanging hooks, which are meant to go on to the, what is it? Is it the M1906? No, or the M10 bandolier. So this would go on this, or on a duty belt, you know, like a heavy duty leather belt. I might have to get a bandolier now to go with this, just for fun. I don't know, it's pretty interesting to me. I mean, if you're not into this type of stuff, obviously you quit a long time ago. So thanks for watching. I'll show you hopefully when I finish this, I'll show it to you in a better condition than what you see right here. Thanks again. Have a good one.